It's been pretty heartening for me to see at CES 2024 that there are a number of companies bringing assistive technologies to the show. We've got people using technology to come up with creative solutions for people living with disabilities. One such company is Gyrogear from Singapore, where I'm from, by the way, and they have come to the show floor with a product called GyroGlove. This is basically a hand stabilizing glove. At this stage, it's kind of long and goes to your forearm, so I'm going to call it kind of more like a brace. And it's got stabilizers and sort of a spinning top situation on it to help counteract tremors for people living with hand tremors. Maybe they have diseases like Parkinson's or MS. And we were able to check out a working unit out here on the show floor. So first, the GyroGlove, there are three parts to it. One is the actual fabric glove itself, and then there is a battery pack on the forearm part of the glove, and a large sort of motor inside a case where there's a spinning sort of top, and it is always going to try to keep itself level. I put it on, and honestly, the fabric felt surprisingly comfortable. I mean, it's comparable to the fabric you would find on your athleisure, for example, and it's a little bit spongy. We're told it is machine washable. We are told also by the company that this is something that people with hand tremors are able to put on by themselves. I did get some assistance from someone here at the show, though, because I think it was a prototype unit that we needed to be a bit more careful with. Once I put it on, though, I was first taken by how heavy it actually felt. The metal component at the back of my palm actually felt pretty heavy. And maybe because I was careful about holding my hand in a certain position, I did feel a little bit of an arm strain by the end of the few minutes I was wearing the glove. I also was wearing a glove size that was larger than was right for me, so I couldn't tell you that I necessarily felt any sort of opposing or counterbalance force to me trying to shake my hand a little bit. And also, I'm not a person with this disability. There was a person at the booth who actually lives with Parkinson's and has been doing for at least 6 years. We spoke with Roberta Wilson-Garrett, who was here at the show, and she has had a unit of the GyroGlove with her for a few days now. She said it has significantly improved her life. She was recounting an incident to me about how one day she forgot that she didn't have the GyroGlove on and picked up her coffee cup as if she did with her right hand, which is where she experiences her tremors, and actually spilled some of it to the ground because with the GyroGlove on, she's actually been able to minimize that. According to Roberta, with some consistent use, she's been getting about 4 hours of battery life with the GyroGlove. However, she's heard that other people can get about 2 days of battery life on a charge, and it really depends on how people experience their tremors throughout the day. At such a high stress and high trigger stimulating event, of course, there's going to be more possibility for the tremors to occur. Roberta said also that the GyroGlove has been able to help her do tasks like write on a piece of paper or button up her blouse much more independently than before. The GyroGlove is also ready to be sold. It is now available for $1,000 off of its $5,800.99 price. You can order it from the company's website, gyrogear.co. It is approved for sale in Australia and is an FDA registered company. We have to wait to find out more details on clearance and approval in the US, as well as whether insurance providers will offer some sort of coverage for this product. Now, that is a high price and that is unfortunate, but it is also sort of in line with other assistive technology devices we have seen so far. We can only hope that the prices of these devices come down in future so that people who need them can. However, Roberta already says that she is excited and intends on purchasing one for herself. Gyrogear told me that they have plans to improve on the current product to make it smaller, more sleek, and more sophisticated in terms of the kinds of actions that it'll be able to compensate against. So we will be paying close attention to this company to hopefully see it do better things and more things in this space. For more coverage out of CES 2024, however, make sure you subscribe to Engadget.